Hey, cool cat. Welcome to another mental health music lesson. Last time we talked about this over here, about meter and about notes on staves that look different. Now we're going to talk about how to sing that on solfege in rhythm. So in the last lesson, we talked about how this note right over here is C, this note is D, and this note is E. Each one of these have solfege. C in solfege is do in the key of C major. D is re, and E is mi. That means we can sing this out as do, re, mi, but now we need to figure out how to sing that in the correct rhythm. We learned in the last lesson that the rhythm we have here is 1, 2, 1, 1. Or in counting to 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can take that same pattern and sing solfege. So first, let's find our C. Now, this C, if you notice, is not middle C. Middle C is down over here. This is actually an octave up from middle C. So we're going to go to our piano. We have our MIDI middle C, which is C3, and now we're going to take it up an octave, or 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our octave. So that's the C we're going to be starting at. Now, because it's early in the morning and my voice is not ready to sing that, I'm going to sing it down an octave. So let's count to 4 and sing it together. Oops. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi. And that is that measure. We can get fun with this too and add 2 little lines over here and 2 dots over there. This is called a repeat mark, and it means that we're going to sing this and then repeat from the beginning again. So let's sing that again. Let's find our C. Well, this C would be here. Do, I'm going to sing it an octave lower. Do, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, do, re, mi. And that's it. So if you're ever in a situation where you don't have your instrument, but you can write down some music and have a little bit of fun, entertain yourself when you're feeling bored, because it's so much better to actually be doing something when you're feeling bored than to not be doing something. Even if doing something is as simple as deep breathing, doing something is a great thing to do, because we're all humans. We're all meant to be doing things, to be creating stuff, to be sharing the love with everybody. So I hope this was helpful for your mental health, and I hope you learned something about music. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. I'll see you later, cool cat. Bye.